How to keep and maintain a Snapchat streak. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I'll simply show you how you can keep and then maintain a Snapchat streak so that you don't disrupt it. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. So before we get on to discussing as to how we can keep and maintain our Snapchat streak, we have to understand what it is in the first place. Snapchat streak is basically a consecutive number of days you and your friend has consecutively snapped each other without sending any type of messages or chats in between. So if you send a chat or messages in between, your snap streak is going to get lost. All you have to do is you have to communicate with snaps. If you don't send snaps and if only the other person sends you, then the Snapchat streak is basically going to get stopped. So it's the number of consecutive days when you both have snapped each other constantly on a daily basis. So that is one thing that you need to understand. So if you would like to keep a Snapchat streak, you just need to keep sending them more snaps to increase its numbers. You can send a few chats here in between as well. In most of the cases it is not going to work and it's going to disrupt the Snapchat streak, so obviously you do not want to take the risk. For example, I will also go ahead and then simply open up Snapchat. Then I'll come to my Snapchat page over here. Then here you'll be able to see a list of people. Now I currently do not have a snap streak with anybody because I don't really use Snapchat and I'm not really active on it. But you have to understand a Snapchat streak is basically a number of consecutive days you have snapped with a specific person so that you don't actually lose it in between. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you answer your question, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.